Good morning, students. Today our subject is English. In English, today our topic is rhyming words. Write rhyming words for each word to make the rhymes. Just change the beginning consonant. This is a consonant. You have to change the beginning consonant and write down the rhyming words. For example, R-U-G, rug. Then you have to write down next word is B-U-G, bug. Now next is H-U-G, hug. Then after M-U-G, mug. Now in second one H-U-T, hut. The rhyming word of hut is B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. Now next is B-U-N, bun. The rhyming word of bun is S-U-N, sun. Next one is G-U-N, gun. Next one is R-U-N, run. Now next your word is T-U-B, tub. The rhyming word of tub is C-U-B, cub. Now next word is R-U-B, rub. Now next question is color the picture. A cub in the sun. This picture you have to color it in your homework. Now next is read the first sentence, then complete the others with the help of the pictures. First we have to read the first sentence, then like this way you have to complete the other sentences. Now first is A, B-A-T, bat, A-N-D, and A, ball. A, bat, and A, ball. Now in second sentence A, you have to write down here C-U-B, cub, A-N-D, and A, C-U-P, cup. Now your sentence is A, cub, and A, cup. Now in next sentence A, N-E-T, net, A-N-D, and A, P-E-G, peg. A, net, and A, peg. Now in next sentence A, C-A-T, cat, A-N-D, and A-M-A-N, man. Now in next sentence A, N-I-B, nib, A-N-D, and A-B-I-B, bib. Now in next sentence A, H-A-T, hat, A-N-D, and A-T-A-P, tap. Now in last one A-T-O-Y, toy, A-N-D, and A-B-O-Y, boy. Now in notebook, our topic is rhyming words. Now first, rug, rug. The rhyming word of rug, rug is bug, bug, hug, hug, mug, mug, bug, bug, jug, jug, tug, tug, dug, dug, pug, pug, lug, lug. Now, in next, hut, hut. The rhyming word of hut, hut is but, but, cut, nut, jut, mut, rut, tut, gut. Now next one is bun, bun. The rhyming word of bun, bun is sun, sun, gun, gun, run, fun, nun, pun, dun, hun, ton. Now next is tub, tub. The rhyming word of tub, tub is cub, cub, rub, rub, sub, sub, pub, pub, hub, hub, dub, dub, bub, bub, nub, nub, fub, fub. Now next, cursive letter S. Today we have to write down the cursive letter S. First, from second blue line to the red line, you have to make a slant line. From second blue line to red line, you have to make a slant line like this way. Again, you have to make a slant line like this way. From down to up, like this way, you have to write down a slant line. Second blue line to red line, like this way. This is your first pattern. Now in second pattern, again first you have to write down your first pattern. From second blue line to red line, you have to make a slant line, then little bit curve and touch to the slant line when you reach to the first blue line. Again second blue line, you have to start from the second blue line, make a slant line, little bit curve, touch to the first blue line and touch the slant line like this way. This is your second pattern. Make a slant line, little bit curve, touch to the first blue line to the slant line. Again you have to write down, again make a slant line, little bit curve, touch to the first blue line to the slant line. Again little bit slant line, then little bit curve, touch to the first blue line to the slant line. First make a slant line, little bit curve, touch to the first blue line. Now this is your second pattern. Now in third pattern, again you have to start from the second blue line, make a slant line, little bit curve. When you reach to the first blue line, then you have to enter from to the slant line and make a little bit curve like this. ये देखिए आपने यहाँ से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट किया, इस तरीके से आपने स्लांट लाइन बनाया, फिर इस तरीके से जो कर्व आपने, जैसे आप फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन को के पास पहुंचे हैं, आपको स्लांट लाइन के यहाँ से लेके इस तरीके से कर्व बनाना है. अगेन फिर से देखिए आपने इस तरीके से स्लांट लाइन बनाया है, इस तरीके से आपने कर्व लिया जब फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन तक, उसके बाद में इस तरीके से आपको इसको कर्व लेना है, सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन को टच करना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक अ स्लांट लाइन लाइक दिस, देन लिटिल बिट कर्व, एंटर to the slant line and make a curve like this. Again make a slant line, touch to the red line like this, little bit curve from the first blue line, then make a curve like this. Again start from the second blue line, touch to the red line, little bit curve, again you have to make a curve like this. This is your third pattern. Now in the fourth pattern, we have to start from the second blue line, make a slant line like this, touch to the red line, little bit curve, then again you make a curve like this in the third pattern, reach to the slant line, then enter from the slant line, and like this you have to make pattern like this. This is your S. Again we have to start from the touch to the red line, then little bit curve, again make a curve like this. This is your S. Again we have to start from here, make a slant line, touch to the red line, then like this type of curve you have to write down, enter to the slant line. This is your S. Again you have to start from the second blue line, make a slant line like this, touch to the red line, then after a little bit curve, touch to the first blue line. Again you have to make a curve and cross the slant line like this and enter like this. ये देखिए इस तरीके से आपको इसको बनाना है. पहले आपको स्लांट लाइन लेके लिटिल बिट कर्व, देखिए आपने ये स्लांट लाइन लिया, उसके बाद में आपने ऐसे थोड़ा सा इसको राउंड लेना है. फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन के टच करने के बाद सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को इस तरीके से आपने टच किया, स्लांट लाइन से ऊपर जाके इस तरीके से आपको इसको घुमा देना है. तो ये बन जाएगा आपका एस. इसी तरीके से आपको पेंसिल बिना उठाए आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. नाउ स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट होम. थैंक यू.